To upload high quality video on your Facebook, make sure you are trying to upload the video is a high quality or HD quality video. So we can see this video resolution is a good quality or high quality. Now go to your Facebook app, tap this menu, and here scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and go to your Facebook settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on media, and here we can see the video quality. So here we have to select optimized, and this video quality optimized option will affect your video upload quality, also your video watch quality. So now must use a strong internet connection. So if you use a poor internet or slow internet, then if you try to upload a video, then the video will not be uploaded in a HD quality. So must use a strong internet connection. Now go to your Facebook app and tap this gallery icon, and now scroll down, find out the HD quality video, select the video, and here go ahead and post the video on your Facebook. And this is the only way to upload high quality video in Facebook without losing video quality. Thanks for watching.